Hi guys, I'm Janika Hanford with Hanford Hacks, and today I have an organization hack. If you notice, I don't have my typical playhouse in the background today. I am in my kitchen with the pantry behind me. And during this pandemic, one of the things that I took on as a project that I really wanted to do was to reorganize my kitchen pantry. Now, when I first said I was going to do this, I thought, oh, that's going to be an easy project. I'm going to just go online, find cute little basket and bins, and be done. Not so simple. And the reason why it has been so challenging isn't because I'm just a picky person, which I can be sometimes. It's not that. The issue is because the distance between each of my shelves is 12.5 inches. Now, I want something that's very functional. I want something that kind of capitalizes on the space, just really maximize it. So I knew from the beginning that I wanted to do a stackable solution. That way I can line up different of my kids' snacks, on top of each other and just kind of take advantage of the distance between my pantry shelves. So I knew that amongst my search, I needed to find where a stackable solution overall height was anywhere from 10 to 12 inches high. I knew that with the distance between my shelves, I knew that I needed to ballpark somewhere in those numbers to have a good viable solution. What I did not realize is that there aren't many solutions out there for a stackable approach that was within that height range. I only came across two solutions, and today I'm going to talk about those two solutions. And one of them is the Home Edit. Not sure if you guys have heard of them. They have a series that's on Netflix. It's two women that live in Nashville, and they are really phenomenal. They have ways of helping household really organize and find approaches that also is aesthetically looking as well. Their products you can shop on their website, and their products are also sold at the Container Store. The second product I found is Made Smart 2-tier organizer, and I purchased that at Target, but you can also find that on other retailers like Amazon. And so between those two, that's really all I found. Now, we're gonna take a closer look at both of those solutions and just to see why they work for me and what is the overall look I'm going for in my pantry. And then we're just gonna explore those two options. And then maybe in a few weeks, once I have everything I want to completely finish this pantry off, I will be sure to do an update video. But for now, this is just which solutions I'm going with and why did I go with that. So let's take a look at the first solution, which is the Home Edit. I have this is their open front stackable pantry bin. It's clear. When you stack them on top of each other, it end up being, I want to say 12 inches flat, because each of these containers are 10 by 6 with a depth of 10 inches. And when you stack them on top, overall height is 12. Again, the distance between my shelves is 12.5. I thought this was a great solution. Not only that, the Home Edit also has little bins that you can put inside of this to kind of separate some of your snacks or easily stack them up a little bit better. So this alone to me is a great solution, aesthetically pleasing. Not only that, they have a rainbow collection where the inside bins is rainbow because organizing your stuff color coded is a great way to easily identify what you're looking for. And I just think that this is really what I've been waiting for. And it has a lot of great reviews. Even right now, I ordered 4 of these containers back in September. I just got them yesterday because it has been such a huge back order. So after getting this yesterday, I already knew that I like this. It fit great. I have great ideas of what I want to do with this. And so I've already gone on the Container Store website and I've ordered more, which I don't anticipate them arriving until maybe end of December, 1st of January. But for now, I can definitely get started on what it is that I want to do, how do I want it to look. So let me show you exactly how I plan on doing this. All right, guys, we're taking a look at what I just did. I just put snacks inside of these 4 bins that I ordered from the Home Edit at the Container Store. These are the open front stackable pantry bins. And when you see these labels here, these come off. I have also ordered the Home Edit pantry organizer labels that I plan on putting on here. They'll say things like kids or snacks, or they have a lot of good wording for their bins. So yeah, I'll clean these off. But yeah, I plan on just pulling all of these off. But as you can see, it visibly looks really nice, really organized. It fits in between these shelves. The distance between my shelves is 12.5 inches high. And these stackable bins stacked on top of each other come out to 12 inches total. This is the perfect solution. And honestly, it's really only one of the 2 solutions that was even viable for my type of pantry. So as you can see, it looks nice. I definitely am a fan of this, and I plan to buy more. One thing I forgot to mention is that the Home Edit stacking pantry bin retails for $17.99 at the Container Store, and it is also BPA free. Now, if this is your first time shopping at the Container Store, you can take advantage of the pot reward. This is for first time buyers that can get an instant 15% off at checkout. And pot rewards stands for perfectly organized perks, is something that the Container Store offer. So since the Home Edit containers was my first time shopping at the Container Store, I was able to take advantage of getting 15% off my entire order. Now, let's talk about the second option I mentioned, which is the Made Smart 2-tier organizer that also comes with dividers. These dividers, I can move them to wherever I need to be, because all of these sides have these holes, so I can move the divider. This retails for $22.99 at Target, and they have this color, which is frost with the gray trays. They also have a clear and black one as well. At the time I got these, they did not have the black and clear in stock, because I probably would have went for that one instead. And this is a great viable solution as well, because the total height when assembled is 10.63 inches. Again, when I was looking to take on this project, I knew that any viable solution had to be, overall height had to be anywhere from 10.5 inches to 12 inches, given that the height between my shelves was 12.5 inches. So this is another option. I think in comparison to the Home Edit, I feel like the Home Edit bins, I can do more because they're bigger and they actually stack, as opposed to this is a tier. So you have to assemble this little tray and they slide out. And I'm only limited to just, one divider per container. I would have liked to have more of these. I haven't looked on Amazon to see if they sell the divider separately, but before I even knew about the Home Edit, this was really the only viable option. Now that I know about the Home Edit, I plan on keeping these in place, because granted, I've already paid for it, so I'm not gonna waste my money on trying to replace these. I do have a whole shelf that are filled with these containers, and then I'm gonna do a whole shelf filled with the Home Edit containers. So if you are trying to do an organizing project of organizing your pantry, and you come to the same dilemma I came up with being very selected about what can fit in between your shelves, definitely measure the distance between your shelves first, so that you know what are good options for you. And if you do find yourself having a pantry where your shelves are exactly 12.5, then I have already done plenty of research to know that you're not gonna find any other solutions outside of this too. And if you do, definitely leave me a comment, because I have researched this for an extensive 3 months of trying to find the right solution. So now that I have the right solution, I am definitely ordering more home-edited, which I have already done. I just gotta wait till they arrive. But for the ones I have, I'm super excited to kind of rearrange my girl snacks and just different things into these bins. And so I will be sure to do a follow-up video in a month or so to kind of show you what I ended up doing to complete this project. But it's been a struggle just finding the right solution, the right storage bin organizer. I am a researcher at heart, so hopefully this will give you a shortcut in getting to what I am trying to do. So thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Hanford Hacks. Thanks for watching.